Hello, I'm Alex Berman and I'm a carpenter working with the Homebuilding and Renovating team. I've been working on this renovation and extension project for the last few months, cutting stud for walls and sorting out any structural timber that's needed. But now that's finished, I'm moving on to the interior woodwork, a job many of you will be familiar with from your own projects at home. Today, I want to show you how I can use the WD6 from Kärcher in conjunction with my power tools to extract the dust while I'm working. Not only will it keep the mess to a minimum, but it'll save you time cleaning up at the end of the job as well. This wet and dry vacuum cleaner has plenty of capacity with a 30-litre container, 8 meters of cable length and 2.2 meters of hose. I simply plug my power tool into the power outlet and the dust is sucked away into the WD6 while I work. This isn't just for sanding either. I can attach it to my jigsaw, my electric planer, and even my chop saw. We use a lot of MDF in the UK, and while it's great for getting a nice smooth finish, the dust is toxic because it's bonded with formaldehyde. So if you're doing any kind of woodwork with MDF in your home, using a WD6 is going to help keep the dust exposure to a minimum. And once you're finished, there's this great design feature where you pop out the filter box to empty it without any contact with the dust.